Welcome to my June 2024 video newsletter. Lots to talk about, so let's go. As we look at the April sales, we see that we had 9 closings in April, up from 7 the prior 2 years. Year to date is still down considerably, due mostly to the 2 Januaries for the prior 2 years. So consequently, we're moving along, but we're not catching up. 2024 median price, year to date median price is 773,500. You can see from this next chart that we're down about 1% from where we closed out last year. Still up quite a bit, 63% from where we were in 2019. I call that the COVID bump, if you will, and it's going to stick with us, I'm pretty sure, as we move forward. Looking at new listings, we had 12 new listings in April, up again from the prior couple of months, again and ahead of where we were year to date last year. But we can see from the active listings that we're losing ground against the 2023 active listings. There was 18 last year, only 14 this year, so we're down about 22% from that. Moving forward, it's going to be important that we have new inventory to sell, because as even though it's slow currently, we're going to need fresh listings in order to attract buyers. As I bring in some commentary, I want to address the slowness of the market. Certainly, there's a number of downsides that we all know about. Mortgage rates, inflation, a couple wars. We have a national election coming up. Also have low inventory, which has just kind of been plaguing us for a number of years now. Those things certainly are dragging us down. Looking up, of course, many of those look like they're improving. Mortgage rates look like they will improve, although they haven't as yet. Stock market is certainly on the upswing. We're looking at inventory slowly improving also, and more importantly, at least for me, is that summer is coming. We will be seeing more people, so we should be seeing more activity. So far this year, it's been slow, but we know inventory will improve down the road just a little bit, and so consequently we are optimistic. It's taken a little longer than I like it to get going. So anyway, that's kind of where we are. We do have, if we look forward just a little bit, the number of pendings is lower than I think it ought to be, which doesn't bode well for the next couple of months of actual closings. But activity it takes a few months, so activity over the next 4 weeks will be important to the total year. And so let's see where it goes. And thank you very much for joining me, and see you next month.